The heat of the summer of 2026 is so obvious, it reverberates all the way back to business funding. Why? Some of the largest requests of business funding to expand their operations, to take on more market share, are HVAC companies this year. It's great. Okay? So I think that with this type of capital, the alternative business funding space, if you have an operation that is in your hometown and you just understand that adding capital, needed capital into your operation will help you gain market share, now's the time. Now's the time. If your concept is good, if you believe in it, put some fuel to the fire. Put some fuel to the fire. I personally, I do not operate businesses any longer.